Hello there guys, welcome back to another Apxt stock video. So of course today we are looking at some positivity on this stock. Obviously I'm going to be giving my opinions on this one like we do every single night. If you guys do like Apxt stock, you are in the right place. So please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because like I said, we do cover this stock every single day. And of course you guys do seem to enjoy the videos. If you do want to come and talk to us about stocks, you can do so on Discord. Link to our Discord will be down in that description box. And if you want to become a channel member, it would be massively appreciated, and link to that will be down where it should say subscribe. Next to it, it should say join. Let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into this video. If we do have a quick look at the stock's price right now, we're sat at $16.44. Obviously, we started off the day a little bit lower than that, so things are looking decent according to Google's charts. So I am happy to see this small 0.55% growth. However, looking at the highs of the day, we hit almost $18 and things were looking good. I did say we did have potential to see that, but unfortunately, like I said, we have sold off from that point. So the majority of the day has been red. It's very unfortunate to see that, but I am not too concerned, because let's look at the facts, guys. If we're looking at how this one has been moving over the past, let's say, week or so, we can see we've been all the way up. We're up about 9%, which does not sound like a lot, but obviously that is in a week, and it is quite significant overall. And when we factor in how much the sell-off is down, it's only 3%. So we are still positive on the week. I'm sure you can work that one out. So I'm not too worried about this one. In fact, I do even see this as potentially a great opportunity to even buy in again, because like I said, we did break new highs, and I think this is looking at a great opportunity now. Now, I am not a financial advisor, but the fact that we have broken new highs on the previous point where we first saw the news of the merger coming out, I think that is showing strength. And now we are seeing a sell-off at such a high price, I don't see it as too much of a problem at all. And if we do have a look in context, in the context of the last month, it really isn't that much of a sell-off at all. I do believe this stock does have massive potential pre-merger. I think if we are going to see future growth, it is going to be for that merger. Now obviously we are coming to the end of 2020 right now, and the merger is going to be happening in Q1 of 2021. Now, of course, that is not too long away. Now, they have not yet revealed a date. So Q1, it could be January, it could be February, it could be March. We do not know when it is going to be, but unfortunately, that is kind of a hindering factor. But regardless, we are still seeing growth on this stock. And I do believe once that date does come out, it gives us a point where we are going to be seeing the finalized growth. And I think we are going to be seeing good figures for that point. I would definitely like to see us be above $20 before the merger. I think we could even reach 40 or 50 on the very hype side. I think it would help the stock a lot in the boost if it was to be picked up by an institution. I think that would help us a lot. So of course, if an institution did come in and pick this stock up, I think it would have a great influence. So of course, one question which a subscriber did ask me about, they said that this company is Chinese. I'm not 100% sure if that is the case, but if that is the case, I'm going to be giving my opinions on that as well. So personally, I believe it's not too much of a concerning factor, because like I've said before, if these Chinese stocks are going to get taken off the market, it is not going to be something that happens instantly. It's going to be something that happens over a longer period of time, and we are going to be notified before it does happen. So, if you are concerned about that, I don't think that'll be happening before the merger. So if you are potentially going to go in with a swing trade, buy now and potentially sell out a few days before the merger, I don't think it's going to get banned in that time period. And I think it's not really going to get banned at all in my personal view. Now, obviously, a lot of companies which do have potential to get banned, I don't think they are going to get banned, simply because they are going to do everything in their power to make sure they comply with the rules. And I think if Apxt is going to be in that list, it is going to be a similar story, in the sense that they're just going to work to get their company compliant, but I do not think it will get banned at all. So thank you to a subscriber who questioned that, but I do not think it is going to be the case. So of course, obviously look at this one for the long term. I do see this one as being a decent buy, honestly. I think now, we are seeing potential for another day of sell-off. And I think if that is the case, great. I don't see it as bad at all. I think it's great, because obviously, looking at the movement that we have been seeing, it's been up a lot, and a lot of people are going to be apprehensive to buy in. If it did go down a bit, in my personal view, I would see this as a better entry point, and I'd be very happy to buy it then. But right now, I'd like to see it go down a small amount. So of course, overall, it's a good buy in my view. I would definitely consider this one as a long-term hold. I like what the company does, and I see it as a great business model. I hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.